and welcome to the Lifesum kitchen and the sheet pan series.
And today we are making a salmon and vegetable kind, which is super tasty, and this is actually perfect if you are on a keto diet.
And my name is Signe and I'm the head nutritionist at Lifesum, and together with me I have
Julia, and I'm the head chef here at Lifesum. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with cutting the salmon into 4 pieces, same size. One trick if you're doing 4 serving is always to start in the middle. You have 2 equal size and then you just cut that in half, and then in the end you will have 4. And now it's time for the Brussels sprout. I like to cut the little bottom off. Then I always try to peel out the leaves that are not that nice. Like for example, this one looks quite sad. And then we're just gonna cut these in half. Once you're done with cutting the Brussels sprout, you just add them to the sheet pan. Simple as that.
And then we're gonna go on to the broccoli. And I mean, when you have a broccoli floret like this is fresh, you can do like separate the little bouquet in different ways. Either you can just like break them apart like this, and then you have smaller ones, or you can use a knife, of course, and cut them in different sizes. And then we just add the broccoli to the pan as well here. You can make me some room, Julia. Thank you. And there we go. So the sauce, we just have some soy sauce. Gonna pour it in the bowl, and then we're gonna have some sesame oil, some chili powder, garlic powder, and sesame seeds. So just mix all those ingredients together in a separate bowl here. And of course, if you don't have one of these cute little whisks, you can of course use a spoon as well. There we go. And then just take a spoon and drizzle this on top.
And now we're just gonna pop this in the oven for about 20 minutes until it's cooked.
Here we go. Look at this, Julia. How nice. Oh,
it smells amazing.
So good.
And if you feel like you're lacking carbs, you can always serve this with some steamed rice. And now we're just gonna top this off with some fresh lime juice.
I mean, just broccoli florets and like Brussels sprouts and some nice seasoning and salmon. It's a really, really nice meal to have. Thank you so much for watching this sheet pan series with us at Lifesum. And if you want to check out more recipes, go to the Lifesum app. It's filled with so many good, nutritious and delicious recipes.
Until then, see you next time.